Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your website stand out and grab attention, adding hover animations is one of the easiest and most effective ways you can do it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create simple but eye-catching hover animations in Webflow. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add cool effects to your buttons or other elements that'll really wow your visitors and make your site feel a lot more interactive. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to have a button or any element really that you'd like to animate. Maybe it's a prominent call to action on your homepage or even a navigation link. For this demo, I'll stick to a standard button just to keep things really clear, but you can use the same steps on any element you like. So with your button selected on the canvas, look over at the right side panel in Webflow and find the Interactions tab. It's the one with the little lightning bolt icon. Click on that and you'll see your Actions panel for adding animations and effects. Now to actually create a new interaction, go ahead and hit that plus button. This tells Webflow that you want to set up a fresh animation, one that'll run whenever something specific happens on this button. For example, when someone hovers over it with their mouse. For today's walkthrough, let's select on hover as the type of trigger. This simply means the animation will start as soon as the user rolls their cursor over the button. Next up, it's time to give your button some action. In the actions list, select spin. This means when someone hovers over your button, it's going to do a little spinning animation right there on the canvas. You'll notice there are options for the direction of the spin, so let's choose spin in for now. What that will do is create a smooth spinning effect as the button animates into a new appearance. It's a simple way to draw attention without going overboard. And if you want, you can tweak the settings right here. Maybe make it spin faster or slower or adjust how many degrees it rotates. Now you might be thinking, what happens when the mouse leaves the button? Good question. You don't want the button to stay spun, looking weird and out of place. So in the Interactions panel, you'll also see an option for on hover out. This just means what should happen when the hover ends. For today, let's pick bounce as the action. That way your button will give a quick, playful bounce back to its original state. It's a nice piece of feedback for the user, letting them know the interaction is over. Again, you can customize the bounce shows. If you want it to be gentle or energetic, you can play with those settings until it fits your style. Now here where the fun really begins. Webflow gives you loads of flexibility with these animation options. You're not limited to spinning or bouncing. There are tons of effects you can layer on, like fatting, shrinking, growing, or even more advanced combos. So don't be afraid to experiment. If you like how something looks, great. If not, you can always tweak, undo, or stack different animations for even cooler effects. Just remember, a little animation can go a long way, so try to match the vibe and personality of your website. And there you go, you've just created your first hover animation in Webflow. It's a small touch, but it adds a lot of polish and personality to your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Webflow walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.